Welcome back to your lake hosting adventure. Today marks a new chapter where crafting an irresistible listing transforms your vision to reality, setting the foundation for your success. So let's embark on the art of distinction, creating a listing that captures the heart and imagination of travelers seeking unique stays. Begin with a smile, the gateway to your hospitality. Professional yet approachable headshot reinforces the warmth and trust that people will find when they stay at your home. So ensure that your photo shines with good lighting and a backdrop that speaks of simplicity and elegance. Fill your profile with interesting facts about yourself as a host, and then add some useful information about your location. Authenticity and attention to detail forge those initial bonds with your prospective guests, inviting them into an adventure that's yet to be taken. A picture does paint 1,000 words, if not more, so pour lots of energy into describing your space, from intimate corners to expansive views. Let quality photos do the talking, transforming curiosity into bookings. With your listing live and the stage set, it's time to shine brighter. High-quality images, compelling descriptions, and strategic pricing will be captivating to future guests. So step into the spotlight across social platforms, local forums, and within your circle, because sharing your listing far and wide will help to sow the seeds of your future success. Your journey with Lake is a shared voyage towards creating unforgettable experiences. With every tip and tool at your disposal, your listing is not just a space, it's a gateway to adventures and stories just waiting to unfold.